In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Meta Business Suite. If a team member has left your organization, changed roles, or no longer needs access to your assets, removing them from your business portfolio is a quick way to keep your account secure. You'll need admin level permissions in your business to complete this, so make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right access before you start. Begin by opening Meta Business Suite in your web browser. You can get there by going to business.facebook.com. If you manage more than one business, confirm you're in the correct one by checking the business name near the top of the interface and switching if needed. Taking a moment to verify this helps you avoid removing the wrong person from the wrong business. Next, head to Settings. In the left-hand navigation, look for the gear icon or the settings label and click it. Inside Settings, you'll see sections for people, partners, and other access-related areas. You want the area that lists your business users or people who have roles in your organization. This is where every member with access to your business is visible, along with their assigned roles and assets. Now, locate the person you want to remove. Scan the list carefully and confirm you've selected the correct profile to prevent accidental changes. To the right of their name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click that menu to reveal quick actions for that user. If you don't see the menu, double-check that you're in the People or Business Users section and that you have admin rights. From the three-dot menu, choose Remove from Business Portfolio. Meta will show a confirmation message explaining that removing this person revokes their access to your business, including pages, ad accounts, catalogs, pixels, and any other assets they were assigned. Review the prompt, then confirm to finalize the removal. The change takes effect immediately, and the person will no longer be able to view or manage your business assets. If you ever need to grant access again, you'll have to re-add them and assign roles and assets from scratch. That's all there is to it. Open Meta Business Suite, go to Settings, use the three-dot menu next to the correct person, and select Remove from Business Portfolio. Before you confirm, it's a good practice to double-check the person's assigned assets and communicate the change with your team so there are no surprises. Keeping your business user list current is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your accounts and maintain clean, organized access. Thanks for watching, and keep your business secure by reviewing user access regularly.